The killing of non-Muslim citizens make paradise forbidden for the killer. The non-Muslim citizens of an Islamic state enjoy the same rights and safeguards as their Muslim counterparts. The first right endowed upon them by the Islamic State is that of protection against external aggression and domestic oppression and encroachments, so they can live their life peacefully, inwardly and outwardly. Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu reported that the Prophet ﷺ said, "Man qatala mu'ahadan fi ghayri kunhihi harramallahu alayhi al-jannata." Any Muslim who unjustly kills a non-Muslim with whom there is a peace treaty, mu'ahad, God will make paradise forbidden for him. Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhuma reported that the Prophet ﷺ said, "Man qatala mu'ahadan lam yarih ra'ihatal jannah wa inna rihaha tujadu min masirati arba'ina aman." Anyone who kills a non-Muslim under treaty, mu'ahad, will not smell the fragrance of paradise, even though its fragrance can be smelled at a distance of 40 years. Therefore, the one who unjustly murders a non-Muslim citizen will not approach paradise. Rather, he will be kept away from it by a distance of 40 years. Commenting on this hadith, Anwar Shah Kashmiri writes in his book Faid al-Bari, qawluhu sallallahu alayhi wasallam, "Man qatala mu'ahadan lam yarih ra'ihatal jannah wa muqqul hadith innaka ayyuhal mukhatab qad alimta ma fi qatlil muslimi min al-ithmi fa inna shana'atahu balagat mablagh al-kufri haythu awjabat takhlidah amma qatlul mu'ahadin fa'aidan laysa bihayyin fa inna qatilahu aidan la yajidu ra'ihatal jannah." Regarding his statement, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, anyone who kills a non-Muslim under treaty, mu'ahad, will not smell the fragrance of paradise, even though its fragrance can be smelled at a distance of 40 years. The quintessential meaning of it, dear brother, can be expressed as such. You know the gravity of sin for killing a Muslim, for its odiousness has reached the point of disbelief, and it necessitates that the killer abides in hell forever. As for killing a non-Muslim citizen, mu'ahad, it is similarly no small matter, for the one who does it will not smell the fragrance of paradise.